How to use ESP32 using Arduino IDE. Okay, first we need to download Arduino IDE. We go for Google and search Arduino. Look for installation name. Here, install Arduino IDE. Click that. For Windows users, click here. For Mac users, click here. Uh, since I am using Linux system, I will download here. We have three modes of Linux download file. One is the app image, another one is star, and another is command prompt. I will use the directly command prompt. Okay, for that I will open command prompt. Sudo apt update first before installing. Okay, after that install Arduino. Since I'm already installed, it's showing Arduino is already installed newest version. For those who didn't install before, it will ask for permission like do you want to install or not. For that, type yes. Okay. After installation, go for Arduino. To use ESP, we need to look for file and preferences. Go for file and click preferences. In that area, type this name. Okay, I will provide in description. External board manager URLs. After that, press OK. Then go for tools and board. Initially, it will be selected to Arduino AVR boards. Go for board managers and search here ESP32. Look by not Arduino, by Express Systems. Okay, install here by selecting version. Okay, after that go for tools, board, check ESP32 and ESP32 dev module. Okay, for some systems upload speed may be not work so I degraded to lower speed baud rate. Okay, after that you need to check the ESP32 is connected or not. For that we need to open command prompt. Okay, use in peripherals not will be used, so we need to first change permissions. Abt usermod -a capital G dialout dollar user. Okay, taking permissions of peripherals. After that, first we need to check the device is connected or not. For that, list dev tty USB star. Okay, since I didn't connected ESP32 to the system, it will showing like this. Now I will connect ESP32 using micro USB. Okay, now I connected. Now again we will search ls dev 32 star. It's showing dev tty USB 0. That means my system, my laptop is configuring ESP32. Okay, uh, some systems maybe it will be not shown, because if you use micro USB only charger cable, it will be not respond. We must use data transfer cable. Okay, thanks for watching. In next video I will show you a small program how ESP32 works. Okay, please subscribe.